Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right now, I am reviewing the Gold Breaker Expert Advisor, which is available for both MT4 and MT5. This is the MT5 version, but there is an MT4 version as well. All right, so the expert advisor supports both MT4 and MT5. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the EA is priced at 98 US dollars currently, developed by Juan Bach Nguyen and currently updated to version 3.0, updated on the 13th of April 2025, and it shows a total of 10 activations. And the focus here is specifically on gold trading, all right, which is XAUUSD. So the strategy is designed to align trades with market momentum following predefined conditions for breakout scenarios. Scrolling through the description, the core idea of this EA is pretty straightforward. It combines trend analysis with a breakout approach. And from what I can see, it first identifies the market trend using trend lines, right? It uses trend lines to identify market trends and support and resistance levels to monitor potential breakouts. Okay. So while it identifies market trend using trend lines, then it focuses on key support and resistance levels to anticipate breakout opportunities in the direction of that trend. I also noticed there are different risk set files available, like low, medium, and high risk, which suggests users can adjust exposure depending on their trading style. Another key point here is that the EA plots trend lines and support and resistance levels directly on the chart, which makes the trading logic more visually transparent while it runs. Okay, and the description here, in the description, we can also see that the EA does not use risky strategies like greed, martingale, or other high risk methods, and each trade includes a stop loss for risk management. Okay, for recommendations, the EA is primarily designed for XAUUSD on the M15 time frame, with a minimum deposit suggestion of $150, though they recommend about $300 per 0.01 lot for more stable usage. Okay, so now moving into the backtest section, let us start by reviewing the provided results here on the MQL5 Marketplace page. So within 15 weeks, about 94% growth recorded since 2025. And then looking at the backtest results that we have here, we can see that from an initial deposit of $1,000, $1,944.99 was the total net profit. We can also see that the profit factor was 4.62, and the total trades taken were 155. Out of 155 trades, 149 were profitable, which resulted in a 96.13% win rate. All right, so it looks pretty impressive. The backtest results on real tick data from 2024. Okay, the equity and growth, the equity and balance curve looks, pretty interesting. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester so we can also see how this EA behaved in 2026. All right, so I'm testing the Gold Breaker MT5 EA on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame, and We are testing the EA from the first day of 2026 till date, which covers about 5 months and a week thereabouts. And for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 45.74, and the total trades taken were 48. Out of those 48 trades, 41 were profitable, giving us an 85.42% win rate. And the largest profit was 31.15, largest loss was 59.13. The average profit was 8.98, and the average loss was 46.04. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is poor, right? The average risk to reward ratio is actually poor. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is wide. So I'm not really surprised to see just a tiny total net profit. Now, I'm looking at the historical performance data, and I like to focus more on how the EA behaved over time rather than just individual trades. And from the historical movement, the entries seem to align with breakout moments around structured support and resistance zones, following the trend direction that was previously identified. So it is clearly built around reacting to momentum shifts rather than random entries. Right, you can also see the ATR technical indicator being displayed here. Perhaps the EA also makes use of it in identifying perhaps the breakout or the trend or momentum. So overall, I will recommend running a longer term testing yourself, so that you can get a more complete picture of how this EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, and in conclusion, this is a structured breakout based expert advisor with a clear focus on trend following logic. And as always, results can vary depending on settings, broker conditions, and risk management choices. All right, so if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.